In this video, I will show you how to use Chime Credit Builder card. So the first thing you need to do is just get started. So just set up Chime account. You need a Chime spending account to use Chime Builder card. Ensure you have set up direct deposit in your Chime account. Minimum $200 within 45 days of opening the account. After this, transfer the money to the Credit Builder account. So move money from your Chime spending account to the Credit Builder secured account. This transfer act as a card spending limit. Now you have to activate the card. Once you receive your physical card, activate it through the Chime app or the website. Now once you have set up or activated your card and account, second thing you have to do is just using the card. Now you can make purchases. You can use it anywhere where Visa is accepted, just as any regular credit card. The amount in your credit builder account is your spending limit. And then you can pay bills automatically. You can enable the safe credit building feature in your Chime app. It will automatically pay off your balance using the funds in your credit builder account, ensuring timely payments. You can avoid overspending. You have to spend only what you have in your credit builder account to avoid financial strain. Now you can also build your credit, so you have to consistent on your on time payments. So Chime reports your payment activity to the three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax or TransUnion. On time payments are crucial for building credit. Now you have to keep uses moderate. So though doesn't report your credit utilization rate, maintaining disciplined spending habit is still wise for long-term financial health. Now you can also monitor your credit progress. Use free credit monitoring service to track your credit score improvement over time. So that is how you can use Chime Credit Builder card. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.